how to connect your Spreadshop to a Wix website. So for example, you can see my Spreadshop right here, and this is my Wix website that I've added the Spreadshop to. And you can visit the website and they will be able to tap on an item and they'll also be able to purchase. I'll be showing you how to do this on your Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix editor page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Pages and Menu. After selecting Pages and Menu, you're going to select Site Menu and then you're going to tap on Add New Page and you're going to be selecting Blank Page from the top left-hand corner. After selecting Blank Page, from there you can give the page a name. So I'll just call it Test for example's sake. Then we'll select Done. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the page as you can see here. And let's say we were to remove this section, so I'll simply delete that section. And I'm going to be adding a new section, so let me adjust it real quick. So we'll pull down the footer section and we're going to be adding a section right here. So we'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on Add Section, and we want to add a blank section. After adding the blank section, what you're going to do next is you're going to adjust it by pulling down on the section. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the plus once more in the top left hand corner. Then from there, I want you to select Embed Code and you're going to select Embed HTML. After selecting Embed HTML, you're going to copy your Spreadshop URL. And to get the URL once on your Spreadshop dashboard, for example's sake, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on the store name, then you're going to tap on Visit Shop from the top navigation bar, and you're just going to copy your store URL. Then go into Wix and you're going to select website address, paste in the address, then tap on Apply. And you can see it has been added right here. Once it has been added, you're going to tap on Stretch for it to take up the entire page. And you're going to toggle on Stretch Full Width. After doing that, you can move it into position. And then you're just going to pull down on it, as you can see right there, to adjust the appearance of it. So you want to pull down on it all the way down to make it take up the entire page. So you'll pull down all the way down, as you can see right there. Now, if we were to select Preview, you can see how it looks on our website. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.